In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide the cloud download icon from apps on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your App Store, hit on your profile icon, and there hit on Purchases. Now there you got two tabs. The first is all apps and the second one is not on this iPhone. And in both of that lists you can swipe to the left on any of app and there hit on hide. And you can continue doing it for every app in this list or for some specific apps, and then if you deleted the app from that list and open download page of the app again, it wouldn't be cloud icon here again, it would be get button, like you have never downloaded this app before. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.